Hello everyone. Today we are making roasted aam panna. For making aam panna, take raw mangoes and roast them over the stove top. Mangoes will take around 5 minutes to roast. The outer crust should be thoroughly charred and soft to touch. Cool the roasted mangoes and remove the outer charred skin. It is evident from the yellow color of the pulp that it has been roasted well. Separate the pit from the pulp by pressing the mangoes with your hands. Now to the pulp we will add some flavorings, starting with soaked fennel seeds, a handful of mint leaves, roasted cumin powder and rock salt. Blend them to a thick and pulpy paste. Now, in a pan, take some sugar and add just enough water to submerge it. Bring the water to a boil and dissolve the sugar to make a sugar syrup. To this, add the blended mango pulp we had made earlier. Cook the pulp over low to medium flame. Cook the mixture until the water reduces and we have a single thread consistency. Take it off the heat and add some freshly crushed black pepper. Cool the concentrate to room temperature and then store it in an airtight container for up to 2 months in a fridge. And whenever you want some roasted aam panna, make it like this.